Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our mini lecture. Previously, we learned about the basic data types, operators, and statements in the C51 language. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the MCU simulation software, Keil uVision5. We're going to focus on two main aspects: getting to know the software interface and creating a project file. An MCU recognizes binary code. Once a complete MCU circuit is built, corresponding software is needed to generate binary code to drive these simulation circuits. Let's start by getting familiar with the software interface. First, double-click the Keil uVision5 icon. Let's check out its interface. At the top is the basic operation area, including the menu bar and toolbar. The middle section is the source code editing window, the left side is the project management window, and the bottom is the output window. Creating a complete Keil uVision5 project file involves four major steps. 1. Creating a project file. 2. Creating and adding source files. 3. Configuring project properties. 4. Writing and compiling the program. Let's go through each step in detail. Step 1. Creating a project file. In the basic operation area, click on the first option in the project menu, New uVision Project. A dialog box will pop up for creating a new project. Be sure to choose the correct path to save the file in the folder you just created. The file name in the dialog box is the name you give to the project, for example, lighting up an LED. No need to add an extension. Click Save. You'll see many types of MCUs listed. In the pop-up dialog box, you can directly search for the AT89C51 chip model in the search box. Select the chip and click OK. You'll then see a prompt: copy startup.a51 to project folder and add file to project. Choose No. Now, in the project management window on the left, you will see a folder named Target 1, which is the project we just created. Step 2. Creating and adding source files. 1. Creating a source file. Click on File, New. A text editing window named Text1 will appear. You can enter your program code here. Before entering the program code, click File, Save to save the file in the folder we just created. Name the file led.c. Make sure to include the .c extension. Two. Adding the source file. Next, you need to add the source file to the project file. Right-click on Source Group 1 in the Project Management window on the left. Select Add Existing Files to Group. Find the led.c file you just created. Click Add, and close the window. You will now see the led.c file listed in the project management window. 3. Entering the source program. Enter the source program in the text editing window and save it. This completes the creation and addition of a source file. Step 3. Configuring project properties. This step converts the source program into a binary file. Right-click on Target 1 and select the first option. An Options for Target window will pop up. Click the Output tab and check Create HEX file to generate an executable code. The generated hex file can be programmed into the MCU chip using a programmer. The default binary file name will be the same as the source file name. Click OK to successfully configure the project properties. Step 4. Writing and compiling the program. Write your program code in the .c file. Once the program is written, you can compile and link it. Select Project, Build Target to link the current project. If the current file has been modified, the software will first compile the file and then link the generated object code. If you select Rebuild all target files, all files in the current project will be recompiled and then linked to ensure the final object code is the latest. These operations can also be done directly using the toolbar buttons. Compilation information will appear in the Build tab of the Output window. If there are errors during compilation, double-click the error message, and Keil uVision5 will automatically navigate to the location of the error. A blue arrow will appear near the source code where the error is found. After making corrections, you should eventually get a successful compilation. The successful compilation is as shown in the figure. The results show 0 errors, 0 warnings, and the automatic generation of a hex file. That's it for this lesson, where we learned how to create a complete Keil uVision5 project file. Practice on your own in your spare time to get more familiar with the software. To summarize, in this lesson, we gained a basic understanding of the software interface and learned how to create a complete Keil uVision5 project file. I encourage everyone to practice more after this lecture. Lastly, I'll leave you with some exercises to help consolidate what we covered today and deepen your understanding. Please complete them carefully. This concludes our lesson for today. See you in the next lecture.